Melanie, great job overall. So let's start with the list. And this is how you should always check your assignments to make sure that you've met all the requirements before you submit it. Okay, so for task 1, you did a great job with your survey. That was great. All 25 points for that. Okay, the next section in task 1, save each survey result as page 1 through 8 of your appendix. That was not done. So your survey should have been the appendix. Your surveys should have been the appendix for your presentation. And that seems to be the only area where you didn't meet the requirements. So for task 2, you created a beautiful PowerPoint. You were very detailed. You outlined everything. You also applied it to your survey results, and you made the connection between each promotional activity and how it would be effective for your target market based on the information that was found when you did your surveys. So great job with that. You explained each idea. You used bullet list. Now we're down on format. So combine all portions into the required format. Again, that was not done, so you won't receive full points in that area. In MLA format, that was great. You had in-text citation as well as a reference list. But again, the only thing that was missing was that appendix. So overall, you've done a great job on your assignment. Really, really good job. You used the book right here as one of your main resources. You talked about it, different events, and like in this particular slide right here, you made the connection between your particular target market based on what was in your survey. So overall, awesome job. Just make sure to pay attention to the format needs moving forward and always check your rubric. Thanks.